Hi guys, this is Martin from Seaory. Now I'm going to use our T12 card printer with this computer to print this blank PVC card with these two ribbons. First, I'm going to print with YMCKO color. This is YMCKO chip. Put inside the printer. And YMCKO ribbons also put inside. Close the hopper. Blank PVC card. Hans module. Choose YMCKO color and OK to print. Printing one size YMCKO color ribbon is about 10 seconds. You can check the printing finish here, it's very clear and shiny. I'm going to print dual sides with YMCKO color. Choose OK, print. Printing dual sides with YMCKO color is about 42 seconds. This is finished. This is the back side. Front side. You can see also printing finish is very clear and shiny. Now I'm going to use this key ribbon to print this card for 10 pieces. This is the key chip. Here's the card. Choose key color ribbon here and change the quantity to 10. It's OK to print. Printing single size with key color ribbon is about 4 seconds, and dual size is about 10 seconds. Printing finish. This is the printing effect here. It's also very clear. Okay, thank you for watching.